Ooh, what do we have here? Yeah, I like those close-ups like that. Ooh, another nice looking guy. I like the backlighting there. Oh, look at him playing. You don't get to see that every day. We've got some really cool cloud formations today. I mentioned last wildlife drive that we had a storm coming that could bear the first season's snowfall, which did end up happening. We got quite a bit of snow, but it has since melted away, so here we are back in the nice weather. Conditions are pretty good. There's no wind right now, temperature's pretty nice, so hopefully that's a nice concoction to see some wildlife. We're past hunting season, so hopefully the deer are off their tippy toes and able to stick around for a little bit longer, but the sun is setting super fast now, before 5 o'clock, so we better get rolling.
The first one felt like more than I could take, so I hit the ground running so hard with all my soul in the try to keep my hopes up, but they keep falling down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more. Every new heart
got the road all to myself.
Than the last time around.
I've always loved this tree, perfectly down the middle. All right, first deer of the day. Oh, we got some bucks too.
It's the first step out of bed when the clouds start rolling in.
Oh, look at him playing.
When the flowers lose their
silly things.
It's the lies that keep them smiling.
All right, let's keep looking.
Slowly dying.
Now this whole stretch of field here down either side of the road, I think we'll definitely see some more. These guys are in the shadows, but with how close they are, I can't resist trying to get one. There's a lot of stuff in the way, but with how close I can get, hopefully I can sort of just blur it out, only get a small section behind it. Let's get a couple shots of these guys. They're definitely moving around a lot, but they're still staying pretty close. Look at him scraping his horns. You don't get to see that every day. All right. Onward. Ooh, what do we have here? Wow, that lighting is so nice. No, please don't walk away. Ooh, that's pretty cool with them silhouetted. I like the backlighting there. Yeah, that's cool.
When you don't know what to do, you don't measure up to what they tell you you should be. It goes round and round, round and round again. Yeah, life goes on and on, it's like around the bend.
Man, the light fades quick. Oh, poor guy. You can see that one strand of fence quivering right behind him. It's because he tripped over it as he was jumping. Poor thing. He looks embarrassed.
Don't let 'em keep you down. Oh no, don't let 'em keep you down.
Dang, we're seeing a lot tonight. These girls are pretty close. I wonder if they'll stick around for a close-up. Ooh, that's a good shot. Yeah, I like those close-ups like that. All right, see you later, girls. Ooh, another nice-looking guy. Man, you couldn't ask for a better backdrop. His horns are kind of shining in this light. I like it. Man, they're just everywhere. They're even crossing the road behind me, too. It is definitely past official sunset by about 15 minutes, but I'm still taking one last jaunt down the road to see if I see anything else. Wow, what a great day though. We saw a lot. Just deer, no elk or turkey or anything else, but still, I'm super happy with how tonight came out. It's so nice to see bucks too. Sometimes we can do this drive, see hundreds of does, but never one buck, so it's nice to see them.